Hey guys, Kano from Kayak Fishing World. On today's Kayak Tackle Talk, I'll be talking you through a quick release anchor system that you can run on your kayak. So on the side of the kayak here, we've got an anchor trolley. This slides up and down so you can position yourself where you want. And then onto it, we've made our homemade anchor trolley that connects on to this clamp. And then all you do is clamp onto wherever you want to sit yourself, whether it's on a tree, a pipe, a boat mooring, anything like that. And that way when you hook onto a fish, you can just release a clamp and off you float. So what we did, we went to Bunnings, got ourselves a couple of clamps, got ourselves some stainless steel snap hooks. These are the 5mm, some heat shrink tube, and what we already had on hand was some scissors and pliers and a burner, or you can use a lighter if you want to shrink your heat tube. So stfirst thing you need to do is on the end here, you need to drill out a bigger hole so you can feed your stretchy cord. So we got 3 meters of this stretchy cord. So you feed that through first. Get that through the hole. There we go. Give yourself enough to play with. Then all you do is make a circle out of that stretchy tube, and the whole lot goes through that circle twice. So bend it through, pull the whole lot through twice. This way you can make a little hitch out of the whole lot. You can tie other knots, but this is quick and easy, nice and simple as well. So stretch that all the way through. Then all you need to do is just pull it nice and tight. Just so the knot binds on itself. There we go. That'll make a nice little loop. Then grab your heat shrink tube, go to the other end of your bungee cord. Excuse, it's everywhere. Put it through all the way over your actual tag end that you had before, and then all you need to do is measure where you want to cut the tag end off, so about halfway through your shrink tube, so about here. Grab your scissors, cut her off. Chuck that through, grab your torch. And shrink it around. There you go. Now to the other end, which is your snap swivel. So unhook your snap swivel, and then what you need to do is the same as what you did before. Get some heat shrink tube first, chuck it over, get it out of the road so you got enough room to play with, bend your line over in half, make a circle out of the whole lot, and then this end goes through that circle twice. And it's just pull again, just to make that nice and tight. There we go. And then same thing again, you want to pass your tag end through the heat shrink tube, just to measure where you need to cut. So it's about halfway, so about there. There we go. You don't exactly have to burn the ends because this heat shrink tube covers most of it anyway.